Hintay ka lang dyan. Kayong tatlo.
Okay.
Wat een minuut, we hadden nooit moeten zijn.
Ayan, may video. Continue. Hold it.
Bakit every time?
Pamili sila eh, pamili.
Pamili. Oh. Matagal kong pinamanaginip tumayakap ka. Sa wakas.
I wait for a long time that I can embrace you.
Di pa.
Mga bling-bling daw eh.
Oo. Naka-bling-bling ako eh. Tama yan. Ako na uniform ni Kura natin.
Isang taon makikita mo ito.
Kaya nga, may bling-bling daw eh.
Wala naman kasabing birthday every month. Lagi every month, every wala na. Malayo ako. Never
Ganda nga ng rosas eh. Putulin na lang. Hindi siya matibay.
Oh, dami dyan.
Pamili na, pamili.
Sister ko, parang 18 roses yan.
Para 80 roses.
20 at 20.
Hi, Dad. Gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyo kasi napakasipin mo for us. Dear Miss, special Miss And for all you know, my sister po talaga super generous sister. Family is family too.
Hindi ka gano'ng makulit.
Ayan, nagbigay isa-isa ng flower kay Will. Yes. Hope to see you again here in NL or in Myanmar, Neil. See you. And speech after this at pinagsama-sama ko lang ang mga picture na to. Thank you, Susan, for arranging this get-together for Will. Ayan, nakakatuwa naman. So, at least nagkita-kita at nag-get-together bago siya umalis. Wow, how I wish naman makarating din ako ng pension time na age.
Wow, may babaon!
Baon mo yan!
I love the flower.
Kailangan niya ng mga vitamin.
Speech, speech.
Ayan ang pabaon muna ni Susan. May pabaon siya. Oh. Ano yung pabaon? Ayan at mga roses. At ngayon ay ang babasahin muna natin ang babasahin ni Ate Irma.
We were so young, energetic, and beautiful.
Until
That
now,
was the time that we met your loving mother too. Don't cry. Later, you decided to move in the Philippines because of Kurt's work. Doesn't matter what. Several years ago, you and David came back to the Netherlands and we met again. And we convinced you to join us in Snail's Stream. Right. You had been known as a conductor of the choir, and you put your dedication to it. And now, you are retiring.
don't cry.
We wish you success and happiness with your loved one. Wow. Good health, good luck, and God bless you always.
Oh. Ah, hindi pa pala tapos. Don't cry.
This is for Ward and Rose. I know it's for both of you. Sometimes you got, I mean, a little bit, yeah. Misunderstanding, that. Side here.
Drink till why? Because we need to drink. Yeah. Our group is without. I really be proud of that. Heart is for them. I met you all, guys. Yeah. And we build some that we can meet with the sisters. Now, I said,
Holy Spirit does.
yeah, that's why nga. It's big.
Susan is always in the photo.
Yeah. Together. Really pay because I got space. Be here. Saving now with my 70th birthday.
Picture. Sa gabi na raw.
I guess, yeah.
Picture. Sa gabi na raw. Saan picture ka ta?
Ay, ako! Ay, ako!
I guess, yeah.
Picture muna. Ayan sa regalo mo.
Yan. Sa gabi na raw. Saan picture ka ta? Sikat yung tao.
Ook mascara, die make-up.
Ano yata? Magbubog kami.
Open! Open! Sesame!
Victoria's
Oh, open! Open!
Pareho kayo.
Open!
Oh, good luck.
Open! Thank you! Salamat! Thank you! Salamat po! Salamat! 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 Thank you! Salamat!
Ako pa rin.
Oh, di ba? Thank you! Oh, ikaw.
Ruby and
Thank you. Thank you. And then now,
Sinabi nga sa akin. Mama ko. Kasi sabi, ay, Christina.
Or tinagalog eh.
1, 2, 3.
Wanna join? I'll take the
Ano pa? 3.
2, 3, nice.
One, picture, groupie. Group picture tayo. Sayang wala si Father Alan at maraming wala this time. Wala din si na Menchi. Kaya after the mass, ayan, pumunta at dumalaw, nakikain kami ng hapunan kina Menchi. Thanks, Mench.